everyone. Well, I'm going to start another project here today. I'm going to be putting in a concrete pad outside my building here. So I'm going to come out 10 feet, go to the upper side of where that door is open up there, just on the upper edge of it. So that'll be 18 feet from the corner of this door here to the corner of that door there. Come out 10 feet, so it's going to be 10 by 8. So what I've done is I started scraping the gravel off. Got more gravel here than I ever thought I had. And then I'm going to get a bobcat and come in here and start scooping this out. Take my fill dirt and put over on this side of the building, because in the spring I'm going to put another lean-to roof on this side of the building. So I'll need dirt down in there to level that up. So that's what this dirt's going to go from. But let's do one thing at a time. We'll get this cleaned out and get this down. I'm going to go down 6 inches and put in 4,000 psi rated concrete. Have some guys come over this week and form it up, and then the latter part of this week we'll get it poured. So it's then I'll get everything set back up. Got to let it sit a couple days with the forms on it because of the coolness of the weather now, and it's going to get colder. So we'll get this all dug out and get it all set up. Well, it's all done. Got her finished up. Brushed it. Edged it. Now, with the being so chilly, it's going to take at least till another 3 days before the forms come off. Let that thing sit good and cure. So, yeah, it'll begin to come along real well. You can see a section there that's beginning, that little gray area there is dried out real well. But, yep, 4 yards. It's a 10 by 18, I think is what we figured. It got a little bit wider up here at this upper edge. I had the forms moved out to the corner of the building instead of coming straight out from the door. It added a little bit in, but anyway, that's, in some areas it's a little deeper in the depth, and we cleaned it out. But that's it. It's forms will come off on you know, like I say, another 3 to 4 days. We'll take those forms off, let that thing cure real well, and it should be in good shape. Anyway, got another job done. I just subcontracted out with the guy that works for a local town, and he helped me out there and got it done. And my friend, of course, he works for the local town. That's how I got hooked up here. So but it's all done. It's all good. I appreciate all my subscribers. Thanks everybody for watching. It's beginning to be a nice day. Sunshine out. Let's get out and do something.